Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are talking about TikTok problem. As you can see, I am showing here too many attempts, try again later. When you are going to put your email address and your password is showing here this type of error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly what you need to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that if you have entered password wrong 4 times, then it's showing this type of error. So how can you fix this issue? Firstly, what you need to do is just simply clear all cache of your TikTok, and after that what you need to do is just simply remove TikTok from your device, and then you have to restart your device, and then you have to reinstall TikTok and then check whether it's fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here, and here you have to write TikTok feedback. And now from here what you need to do is just simply wait for a while. So after that you have to tap on first link. So as you can see guys, it's loading here. So tap on this one. Now from here what you need to do is just simply wait for a while. So after that you have to fill this form. So here you have to put your email address, as you can see guys. So here you have to put your active email address, and here you have to put your TikTok username, and here you have to select an option, as you can see guys. So you have to select third one, report a bug feature request, and here you have to write this one. So I have already copied and given in the description as well, so you can copy from there. And here you have to tap on upload, and it will redirect to your gallery, and from there you have to select the screenshot of your problem. Okay guys, so you have to take screenshot of your problem first, and then you have to open this page. And after that what you need to do is just simply check on both of these, and after that just simply tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and TikTok team will contact with you on your given email address. And after that hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.